we're gonna play a floating and sinking, not sinking, floating paper clips. All we need is waters.
Wala, nabitin eh.
Hindi siya makikialam at may
Is the papers?
kayo.
Two.
Dahil
Two.
Pinsan ko na kayo, pinsan nyo na sinira tiwala ko.
And then,
Tapos,
sticks.
pero bukas, ayun, tira.
And
dahil eh.
paper
Tumanda
clips.
kayo dahil pinigil.
And is the experiment.
Hoy,
First, dip the water. Dip the piece of paper in water.
sulat ka eh.
And then, put a paper clip.
Alam ni Dora, nagkikichismis.
Then push the paper.
Mas maganda, di ba?
Oh!
Alden,
Mine is sinking! I'm sorry. Bye. Not bye.
Sobra daw make-up.
I'm gonna stop.
agad ka?
Sobra ka.
Oh, may pahabol pa si Yaya. Ano yan? Mas maganda ako bukas.
Oh, floating. And the floating hero. Floating, floating.
Eh, gusto ko makakita ko na isusuot bukas talaga eh.
Ay, alamin na lang.
Bye, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Bye.
Siya yung klase ng bata na kahit sino